Hello everyone, it's Mirage here, and today I'm here to show you how to make a ghost. A ghost, you say? Not that kind of ghost. Hey! Not ghost plushie. I'm here to show you how to make a ghost out of a dryer sheet, a used one. You're wondering, how do you make a ghost out of a used dryer sheet? Well, I'm here to show you how. As we're going to need scissors and duct tape, a used dryer sheet, remains of a cotton ball, from this, see? And some markers, colored markers, to color in your choice of eyes for your ghost creation. Once again, these are the tools you're going to need. First, to make a ghost, take your dryer sheet and your cotton ball or used cotton ball, depending on how much of it is what you have for the cotton ball. For the cotton ball, take as much as you need of it. We're going to separate as much of the cotton ball as we need. Now, you don't have to use the cotton ball for this. You can use remnants of a used dryer sheet if you have enough of it. But lately I've been using cotton balls to make my ghosts. So, we use the cotton ball into the dryer sheet and mess around with it a while. Now, once you mess with the head enough and think you formed the head big enough with your fingers, it's time for tape. Sure, using dryer sheet remains to form the head is harder, but if you use cotton balls, it helps make them easier. A strip of tape, ghost, you put it around their neck that you formed when you were crafting them, like this. Like that. Straighten them out as much as you need to. If you want, you can use the scissors to cut any parts of them you don't want, like cutting the extra dryer sheet parts you don't want on your ghost. But for today's tutorial, we won't be using the scissors. Except for cutting the tape off. Then you choose any of your colored markers that you have, preferably any other colored marker brands than Crayola, because Crayola can wash out over time. And you choose a color and give it to your ghost. For this ghost, I think I'm going to call it Tutu just for the tutorial. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll just give it as a form to Lorna. On my ghost that I already created. Yeah, I might do that. Now that you made your ghost, it's time to color it in with your marker of your choice, and then it will be done. Unless you want to add arms and stuff, but that's optional. See? I'm coloring the eyes right now. I usually, well, the eyes I color in, they vary in size.
A few moments later.
And that's how you make a ghost. Well, this is a female ghost. Making a male ghost is a little more complicated. If you want to see that, how I make a male ghost, well, let me know in the comments below. And thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.